up to 45 years age, we have more than 60% votes. So definitely we have a role, and today it is my first visit. Let's see, we will do something for the betterment of Nagaland and Dimapur.
Going back to, as you are from Assam, I have come to know about that. So the recent eviction being led by the BJP government in Assam, which is Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. So he has been saying there are illegal IBI, which they say, that is illegal Bangladeshis entered and settled in the land of government. They are evicting that. Do you think that it is constitutionally right? Because many of them, they are trying to present themselves as like they are trying to prove themselves like they have every documents, every right to stay there. If it is so, if they are settled in the government land, they have requested the government to move them somewhere they can settle down again. Rehabilitation should be done. So, but the government is playing in a way that they are targeting the particular community and saying that they are illegal in Bangladeshi and they should be moving out from the state. So, do you have, as Congress is doing something or not in the state?
See, the specific problem with the Mia community, right? The Mia is a big political syndicate today. Right, left, east, west, everyone is doing politics to the Mia. And this, since years, this homeless to stateless, this concept, some people, they were earlier at near the Brahmaputra. By river erosion, they have shifted to another place. Suddenly someone will claim that they are illegal immigrants, they are Bangladeshi, they are blah blah blah. Then this process is a very confusing, and whatever Himanta Biswa Sharma is doing, he is politically frustrated, totally frustrated, because there is a phrase called beginning of an end. That is the beginning of an end of Himanta Biswa Sharma. And that is specific thing, the eviction of this Mia Muslim is being highlighted to draw the attention, to just create a division among the both sides of the society. If you see the Dima Hasau, is there any Mia at Dima Hasau? They had evicted to give land to the Adani. Whose land? Dimasa people. Rabah Hasong. If you go to the Soigao, if you go to the nearby airport, they have given land to the Adani. If you go to the Tinsukia, if you go to the Dibrugarh, if you go to the different state, they have given land to the Patanjali. If you see the statistics, 90% eviction happened at majority mainstream Assamese area. But these things were never being highlighted. Specific thing highlighted when eviction drive happened at Mia Muslim area. And this is targeted eviction because to draw a sentiment that BJP is against the Muslim community, to just let Assamese people know that this section of the society is disturbing, this section of the society is against the Assamese sentiment, and whatever you have mentioned, the illegal Bangladeshi, illegal citizen. Citizenship either foreigner or Indian citizen. There is no illegal. There is no suspected thing. If I suspect someone, I can give you any kind of punishment? No. How on the basis of suspicion, how on the basis of any kind of suspected thing, how he can tell one is foreigner or someone is illegal, someone is Bangladeshi? If a citizen, he is Bangladeshi or he is an Indian citizen. There is no midline. There is no any other point. That is the single thing. And all they are what we believe and what is the fact, what history told, all they are Indian citizens. Thus to create a negative environment, and what I am saying, Mia is a big syndicate at Assam. Mia is a political syndicate word. Mia is a community. What BJP playing with them, nation knows today.
Okay, so, you said like it is a Mia vote bank that has been played in Assam. So recently, some few years back, there was an NRC, right? So they were trying to detect illegal entrance of Bangladeshis into the state, where they around 19 lakhs they have stated. Till now, whether they have deported those Bangladeshis from the state or not, are they still?
First, you tell me, among those 19 lakhs, what is the exact percentage of Mia community among the 13 lakhs? More than 10 lakhs are Bangladeshi, Hindu Bangladeshi, Bengali Hindu. But I am not dividing. We are not dividing. Whatever true, that is true. Just implement, and why they are not under their supervision, under their everything governance, they have done the NRC. Why they are not implementing? Just because of their political agenda. So these things are clear, and everything will be clear after a few months. Everything will, Assam will know, India will know that what I mentioned you, that the beginning of an end of Himanta Biswa Sarma.
Before we